Hello, everyone. Have you ever been to a farm? Well, if you have not, I am sure you must have seen people harvesting farm produce on television. Now, suppose a farmer harvests some tubers of yam. He either goes to the markets to sell these tubers of yam or he carries them home to feed his family. You see, when the farmer takes back his produce home for local consumption, this type of production is known as direct production. I'm also sure you and your parents cook some delicious delicacies for the family. When there is food made for the family, such is also regarded as direct production. However, if your parents own a restaurant and produce some food for sales to individuals, such production is known as an indirect production. This is similar to the farmer who takes tubers of yam to the markets to sell. So we may ask, what is direct production? Direct production is the type of production where an individual produces goods and services for personal or family use only. The goods and services are usually not for sale and not in large quantities. Also, they usually require only family labor. On the other hand, indirect production is the type of production in which goods and services are produced in large quantities for sale and involves the employment of skilled labor. Indirect production is the type of production where goods and services are produced for sale. Indirect production is divided into 3 categories. They include primary production, secondary production, and tertiary production. Primary production deals with the extraction of raw materials which are provided by nature. Here are some examples of primary production. They include agriculture, fishing, lumbering, and mining. Secondary production involves the transformation or conversion of basic raw materials into final forms that are acceptable to the consumers. In the secondary production, raw materials are transformed into finished products as books, clothes, bags, chairs, and others. Tertiary production, on the other hand, is concerned with providing professional services to people. Some examples include doctors, lawyers, teachers like myself, and soldiers. So I am sure you now know the different types of production that exist. As we have learned, production is broadly classified into 2: direct production and indirect production. Also, indirect production can be subdivided into primary production, secondary production, and tertiary production. I do hope you have enjoyed this lesson, and I hope you stay with me for the next one. I will see you there. Bye, everyone.